Everything you want to know about affiliate marketing. If you're interested in building or expanding a web-based income, an affiliate marketing program can be a great choice. Generally, affiliate marketing programs are free to join. You earn money by promoting their products on your website. Here are some helpful tips to help you get started with affiliate marketing. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, ask if cookies are used to track sales and link customers back to the original referrer. Cookie tracking helps to track individual visitors that follow a link from you to the affiliate site. If they return to the affiliate site again at a later time to make purchases, you can still receive a commission. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. When you design your site for your affiliate advertising venture, it is vitally important that you understand that you will not get paid unless your visitors click on the links that you post on your page. Many times, informational pages will not get you very many clicks, as most people visiting your site are not looking for a product. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break-in video, adding to its visual appeal. As mentioned above, affiliate marketing programs are a great way to create an income stream with little or no initial cost or risk to yourself. While there is a significant amount of conflicting information regarding affiliate marketing available, the tips in this video should help you figure out what you need to do. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.